Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I begin my presentation, I will introduce myself. Hello, my name is Nofriananda. I will presentation about visual inspection. Definition of visual inspection. Visual inspection is the most common non-destructive testing or NDT method for evaluating surface well quality without performing any test. When performing a visual inspection, well and heat affected zones are checked against standard, which will determine the degree of imperfection permit. Well are damaged if any of these levels are exceeded. Welding inspectors have the necessary experience and mandatory qualification ensure a comprehensive and valid inspection is carried out. In welding, inspections are carried out before, during, after the welding process. Inspection is carried out so that welding is carried out in accordance with the standard or codes used. Visual inspection is an inspection to detect visible weld defect, generally defect on the weld surface. First, crack. Crack is defect in the form of crack in the weld that can occur due to cooling or stress. Crack is very vulnerable defect because it shows a very large concentration of stress in the area so that it can cause fracture. Crack refers to the depression remaining at the top of the welding where the weld pool is left unfilled. Most forms of weld cracking result from the circuit strain that occurs as the weld metal cools. If contraction is limited, the strain will create residual stress that cause cracking. Types of welding crack: longitudinal crack, transverse crack, throat crack, underbed crack. Second, undercut. Undercut is defect in the form of a hollow located in the base metal due to the welding. The process of occurrence. When welding the base metal at the edges of the joints will melt when it gets hot, but not filled with metal fillers so as to form an undercut. Cause of occurrence: the reasoning current used is too large, travel speed or welding speed is too high, the arc of the flame is too long, improper electrode position, uniform hand swing. Third, underfill. Underfill is welding defect that occurs because the weld joint is not connected perfectly, so it is very thin. Therefore, it is necessary to reweld. The cause of the underfill occurs because the ampere is too low, coupled with the travel speed is too high, and the wide bit is not suitable, so that the weld pad is not filled enough. Type of underfill: lack of fusion, incomplete fusion, lack of internal fusion, concavity, shockback. 4. Slack. Welding defect slack is a defect that occurs in the area in the weld. This defect is in the form of lag or fragment in the weld, which often occurs in the stop and run area. To see this defect, we have to do radiographic test or branding. Cause of slack welding defect: the slack cleaning process is lacking, so it is filled up by the weld. Amperes is too low, the welding arc is too far, wrong welding angle, and the seam is too small. 5. Porosity. Porosity defect are welding defect in the form of small holes in the weld metal or welding metal, which can be on the surface or inside. Cause of porosity welding defect: the electrode used Used are still damp or exposed to water. Welding arc is too long. Welding current is too low. Travel speed is too high. The presence of impurities on the workpiece. Hydrogen gas is created by welding heat. Porosity types: surface porosity, gas pore or single porosity, scattered porosity, cluster porosity. Thank you. That's all my presentation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.